Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 2 to the power of 23 minus 1. So I can have this as 2 to the power of this is 20 plus 3 minus 1. Now, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So this is 2 power 20 times 2 power 3 minus 1. So from here, 20 is 2 times 10. We have 2 power 2 times 10 times 2 power 3. That is 8 minus 1. Remember, if you have a power x times y, this equals a power x to the power of y, and this equals a power y to the power of x. So this is 2 power 10 to the power of 2 times 8 minus 1. Now, what is the value of 2 power 10? I can have 2 power 10 equals 2 power 5 times 2, which is 2 power 5 to the power of 2, and this is 32 to the power of 2. This is 32 times 32. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. This is 4, 12, 10. 1024. So 2 power 10 is 1024 power 2 times 8 minus 1. Now, to take the squares of these, that means we can have 1024 power 2. This equals 1000 plus 24 power 2. 1000 plus 24 is 1024. We have power 2 here. Now to expand this, if you have a plus b to the power of 2 is equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And this is my a, this is my b. So right now, I will have 1000 squared plus 24 squared plus 2 times 1000 times 24. 1000 squared is 1 million plus 24 squared, that is 24 times 24, plus this is 2000 times 24, that is 48,000. So this is 1 million plus 24 times 24, 4 times 4. This is, let me do it dash with 576. This is 16. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. Let's add up everything together. This 7576 plus this is 4,800. That's 48,000 rather. So if you add everything together, 1 million plus 576 plus 48,000, this will give you 1,048,576. So you are going to multiply this by 8, then subtract 1. 1,048,576 times 8 minus 1. Let's multiply this. 8 times 6, that is 48. That is 8 and carry over 4, or 4 carry over 8 rather. That is 4. So we have 8 carry over 4. 8 times 7, that is 56. 56 plus 4, that is 60. So you have 0 carry over 6. 0 carry over 6. So 8 times 5, that is 40. 40 plus 6, 46. So square root of 4. So 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 64 plus 64 plus 4, that's 68. We have 8 and carry over 6. So 8 times 4, that is 32. 32 plus, this is 32 plus 6, that is 38. 8 carry over 3. 8 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0 plus 3, that is 3. 8 times 1, 8. So we have minus 1. So when once you subtract 1 from here, you have 8, 3, 8, 8, 6, 0, 7. So this becomes our answer for, this is 2 power 23 minus 1. This is 8,388,607. So this is our solution. This is our value there. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.